Generally speaking, marketing is responsible for lead generation. However, sales representatives are also at liberty to take an active role in generating sales leads. Leads are sales contacts, individuals or organizations who express an interest in buying your products or services. Your sales team generates leads through your business through lead generation tactics. In this video, let me show you the 6 sales-based lead generation tactics to help you ace your sales goals. Let's find out how can you step up in game of lead generation by leveraging these modern lead generation techniques. So let's get right to idea number 1, which is to offer your help through Q&A sites or online discussions. Besides generating sales leads for the sales team, this is also a gate strategy for backlinking and SEO. In their roles and responsibilities of businesses, people are constantly encouraging questions that they require answers for. And who is better to do it than you or your sales team? It's obvious that you shouldn't answer questions that you don't have an authority on or that don't relate to your product or service. But a key part of your sales strategy should be helping people solve their problems. Using Quora, for instance, is a great way to engage customers on their terms. If you are able to solve an issue for someone, chances are higher that they will be inclined to purchase, and even if they don't purchase, your answer will be visible for others with the same query to see. This could get your people inquiring about your product or service. The second strategy that would be to utilize your LinkedIn network. It doesn't matter how frequently you visit LinkedIn, you have most likely got a whole lot of connections in industries and organizations with problems just waiting to be solved. Now, no one likes to get bombarded with sales messages on social media platforms, especially on platforms like LinkedIn, which is designed for professionals. So do not be annoying and keep it as professional as possible. Don't just copy and paste some generic messages to every single person in your network. Besides, being personable, be strategic as well as professional would help you. Third tip is to use your email signature to its full potential. Normally, your email signature would include your name, your role at your organization, your phone number, and your business website. Wouldn't it be great if you could use it to guide your potential lead through the buyer's journey by including a link to your informational content? You can't know if people will click your link, or if you place it there, without it you will never find it out. Take an advantage of your signature to link them to your service, your company page, your blog, or an exclusive offer, or to your social media accounts so they can learn more about you and your business. Do not overcrowd that space. Be strategic with what you place it there. Providing a referral deal to your customers is another way of generating sales leads. According to studies, people are 4 times more likely to buy a product they have been referred to by a friend. Do you remember when Uber was first launched in India and people shared their referral codes? Sharing your unique referral code not only gave you a friend off and service, but also saved some amount on your rides. That's a great example of customer referral program. When you offer benefits to customers who refer their friends, you not only reward existing customers for your helping to promote your business, but also receive high quality sales leads. Let's take a look at our 5th idea, revisiting closed or lost opportunities. As circumstances change, people's need also change. 6 months ago, they might not have been ready to buy. Now, they might be interested. It doesn't necessarily pay off to follow up on every single missed opportunity. However, if you record the reasons for lost opportunities in your CRM, you can figure out which leads are more likely to return. If your organizations don't use CRM, there are a lot of free tools available for you to help you to track this. Keeping in contact with missed opportunities will allow you to capitalize on opportunities in future. And when they are in need of your kind of a product or a service, you will be the first person to be notified. As a sixth and final piece of advice, try blogging. In the eyes of some salespersons, blogging and writing content are marketing tools that belong to marketing teams. As it turned out, they were wrong. Be sure to make your blog count and don't just wait for the marketing to do it. Sales teams that are proactive are always successful. It is likely that everyone in your company has different level of expertise on topics. So take an advantage of that knowledge and start writing about what you know. Don't worry about being the best writer. You can use grammar tools such as Grammarly or send your writing to others for proofreading. Writing a blog and sharing what you know is entirely possible as long as you have the knowledge. In addition to helping your SEO rankings, blogs will put you in the spotlight as an authority in your field, which builds trust. Basically, if you are serious about hitting your sales goals, you need to take proactive measures, which is why you are here trying to find sales leads ideas. Not every tip discussed here will flood your inbox with sales leads overnight, but reviewing this list each month and tackle one tip at a time will provide long-term results and higher ROI. I personally follow this to keep getting leads consistently. I hope you found this video helpful and would like to share it with someone you think would benefit from it. Stay tuned with me for an amazing content that's on its way.